Hey, world is fam! Today at World Z, I'm going to be showing you guys how to make 3 easy Halloween crafts. Well, first up, we have the pencil topper ghost. And then we also have the lollipop ghost. And last but not least, the spider ring. So yeah, without further ado, let's get started. Alright guys, so the first craft we are going to get started on is going to be the spider ring. Now this is a really easy craft to do. All you need for this craft is some school glue, pipe cleaners, 5 pipe cleaners, and 2 pom-poms. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to get these pipe cleaners and twist them 3 times. And then after you twist them, you're going to take out the leg, the ring part, like this. You're going to take it out. So you're going to have like this. And then you're going to bend the legs. And you could also move the legs around so they're more spaced out. After you do that, you're going to put your finger underneath, as you can see. Then hold it with the top fingers. And then you're going to twist it around your finger. So like this. You want to make sure that you can still get your finger out. So you're not like, I can't get it out. Anyway, yeah. Then do this. Then you're going to take these little guys and put them up here. And then you could just do this. Then you got the ring. Next, make sure it stands. And you're going to get your 2 pom-pom looking things. Then you're going to glue them. Once this glue comes down, come on, and then make sure a dot is enough. So then squeeze them together. Now put these aside to dry. And I have these ones ready. Now all you have to do is glue these on to here. A little too much, but okay. Now you're all done. Now all you need to do is just let this dry. So let's move on to the next project. Let's get started on the second product, which is going to be the lollipop ghost. So adorable. So adorable. Anywho, the items you will need for this little craft will be 2 tissues. Make sure you try to unfold them as best as you can. You will need a rubber band. Please do not fling these at anyone. It will hurt. You will need a sucker. I have a blow pop. Then last but not least, you can get any color Sharpie you want. I have a brown one. Anyway, let's get started with this project. Damn. Alright, so first thing you're going to do, I'm going to set this aside, goodbye, is you're going to put the 2 tissues on top of each other. Second thing you're going to do is you're going to put the sucker And try to put as best as you can, as close in the middle as you can. Then you're going to lift it up like this. You're going to lift this up too. Then you're going to place it around. And try to place it as best as you can. Then you're going to wrap the top of the sucker like this, so you can see the head of the sucker, with the tissues. And then you're going to get your rubber band. Then you're going to tie it around the lollipop head about 3 times if you have this big of a sucker. Maybe 4. I'm trying to do it 4. Then it should sort of look like this. It's okay if the stick is still showing. Then you should have a product like this. Then you're going to get your Sharpie. Then you're going to find a spot to draw the eyes. All you need to do is touch the tip of it because the tissue absorbs it. You can just dab it on both eyes. Try not to draw because it might tear the tissue. Let me just draw the mouth. Then you're all done. Yay! Let's move on to the third, but last but not least, the third project. For the last project, we're going to be doing the pencil topper goals, dear. Yeah. Anyway, let's get started. Now, the supplies you'll be needing will be a tissue, that you fold into 4. I'll show you this real quickly. Fold it in half, and then fold that half into half. Then boom. Then you'll be needing a pencil, of course, because it is a pencil topper. What else? Then you will be needing a pom-pom, a small pom-pom. You could try a medium or large one, but I'm using a small one. Tiny pom-pom. Anyway, you're going to have a rubber band or a pipe cleaner. For the rubber band, this is just like the previous project, a ghost lollipop. So I'm going to use the pipe cleaner. So fling that off. Oh, and I can't forget the very special brown Sharpie. Alright, so first you're going to be putting the pom-pom in the middle of the perfect square, not perfect, but the very neat, nice as I could get it, tissue square. Next you're going to be putting this pencil on top. Try to get it even. You could try smushing it down and then try to keep it where it is. If not, you can always move it when you're putting the tissue around it. Then you're going to put the tissue around it. I can't really do this that easy. But this is pretty hard, honestly. Anyway, now you're going to get the pipe cleaner or the rubber band. And you're going to put it around the clothes. Now, let's put the face on with the Sharpie. Do the same thing that we did with the other ghost. Yay! Here are the 2 ghost pencil toppers. Now I'm going to show you guys the spider ring that I made previously. So goodbye this and this spider ring. Still not fully dry, so I'm not going to mess with it a lot. But here's the spider ring. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. And also, hit that subscribe button. Hit it. Anyways, these are the products. These are the cute, adorable things that I have made today. Let me lift this up. Yeah. Anyway, see you guys in the next video. Bye!